Ready to ditch your mouse and keyboard and control your Ubuntu machine with just your phone? First, the core concept: we're going to use an app on your phone that acts as a remote controller, relaying commands wirelessly to your Ubuntu desktop. There are several apps that do this, but we'll focus on a popular option. On your Ubuntu system, open up your software center. Simply search for the server software associated your chosen app. Search for it by name. Install the server application on your Ubuntu machine itself. This is the brains of the operation living on your desktop. Now, grab your phone and head to your App Store. Whether you use the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for the appropriate remote control application and download and install it. Once both the server and the app are installed, the next step is to connect them. Make sure your phone and Ubuntu computer are on the same network. Typically your home Wi-Fi. Open the remote control app on your phone. It should automatically scan for your computer. Select your Ubuntu machine from the list. With the app now connected, you'll likely be presented with an interface of different control options. Browse to the controls you are most interested in using to test out for the first time. See how well you can surf the web, skip songs as you game, or even control mouse movements. Just like that, you can now control your Ubuntu through your device. Experiment with different control layouts and settings to see how to customize the best experience for you. With a bit of configuration, you can experience media or play games from an alternative interface.